Hey there, happy Saturday afternoon. Hope we can get this done before it rains. We've had some really bad storms the last 3 or 4 afternoons, and I just heard thunder. Just firing up the grill. Today we're going to smoke a ribeye steak, some shrimp, and a little bit of garlic to have with that steak. Got our ribeye here. Just gonna put a little salt and pepper on it, and nothing else. Flip him over. I'll take him outside and put him on the grill, and then about 15 minutes before it's done, we'll put the shrimp on. Well, it's been thundering for a while, and I'm getting a little bit of rain, but I think the bulk of it passed out toward the ocean, so hopefully we're good. So I'll put a little cooking spray on there. Get our steak on the grill. Just put that block of hickory on there, so we should start getting some good smoke. Temperatures at a little below 250. I want to try and get down to 225. Last time I did one of these, it cooked it a little more than I wanted to. I'm not picky about how my steak is done. I'll eat it from anywhere from rare to medium well done. I don't really care for it, but I'm going to try and get this guy to come out a good medium rare. Come back and check in a few, see how she's doing. Almost forgot about my garlic. Got a few cloves here. Put a little bit of olive oil on them. Gonna sprinkle some Tony Chachere's on there. Never tried that before. Can't hurt, right? And we'll just close this up and go set it on the grill with the steak. It's been half an hour. Oh. Flip him over. Oh yeah, looking good. Temperature still just below 250. So we'll wait about 15 minutes and we'll come put those shrimp on. Okay, you're gonna put these shrimp on here. Just put them on a skewer with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, nothing else. They shouldn't take long, maybe about 15 minutes. Okay, our steak is running about 135, which should be a good medium rare. I'm gonna sear it in this cast iron skillet on high heat for about a minute on each side, then put it back in here, put some butter on it, cover it up and let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna sear our steak in this hot pan for 1 minute on each side. All right, our 2 minutes is up. In this pan, put a little bit of butter on there. Spread it around, let it cover that steak good. Cover it up with this foil. Just let her rest till the shrimp are done. Shrimp are done. Get them off. Put them over here on our Walmart fine china and grab our garlic. Time to go inside and plate it up. And there we have it. Our steak with some roasted garlic, our shrimp, and a little bit of salad. That's gonna be good.